Look, it finally came in the mail. A little late, but she came. Let's get to unboxing. Hard to do with one hand. Got a USB charger. So we got some batteries for the transmitter. Got 380 mAh lithium ion times 2. Should last a while with that little motor. Here's the truck. Let's get her open. There she is. This is the RACENT RCS24 124 scale crawler. Supposed to be a SCX24 clone. First time I've ever had one of these. Been wanting it for a while. Finally got one. It's got a 3-link in the front, it looks like. 4-link in the back. Let's see if we got any play in these axles. Too much play. Not a whole lot of play in the rear either. Pretty nice. Got 4 clips to remove the body. Let's get those off quick. Try to. There's one. Excuse me, this is hard with one hand. Just give me a minute. Sorry, I had to set the camera down to get these body clips off. Yeah, those are kind of hard to get off, but she got her off finally. Let's pop the body. There's something stuck on there. Oh, there we go. There's the body. Okay, nice, got lights attached. Here's the inside. 2-in-1 ESC receiver. I think this is a 050 motor, if I remember right. I'm not sure. I'm almost certain though. Here's your transmitter. Pretty nice and drive one handed. It's got foam on the wheel. It's got steering dual rate, throttle dual rate, reverse throttle, your steering trim, and I think this is a lighter to bind. Pretty nice. Some decent articulation. Oh, sorry about that. Let's see. Back was kind of off the ground, but not too bad. Oh yeah, there we are. RACENT RCS24. My first 124 scale. Thanks for watching.